In HVAC systems, compressors play the most important role because they increase the pressure of the refrigerant and keep the cooling cycle running. There are 4 major types of compressors used in air conditioners and refrigeration systems: reciprocating, scroll, rotary, and screw compressors. Each type works in a different way and is suitable for different applications. Reciprocating compressor. A reciprocating compressor works very similar to a car engine. Inside it, a piston moves up and down inside a cylinder. When the piston moves down, it sucks in refrigerant gas, and when it moves up, it compresses the gas. These compressors are affordable, easy to maintain, and commonly used in small to medium-sized AC systems. However, they are a bit noisy and have many moving parts that can wear out over time. Scroll compressor. A scroll compressor is more modern and efficient. It has 2 scroll-shaped parts. One stays fixed, and the other moves in circular motion. This design compresses the refrigerant smoothly and quietly. Scroll compressors are widely used in today's split ACS because they provide better efficiency, less vibration, and longer life. They also have fewer moving parts, so the chance of mechanical failure is lower. Rotary compressor. A rotary compressor uses a rotating roller inside a cylinder to compress the refrigerant. It is compact, lightweight, and operates quietly, which is why it is commonly used in small split ACs and window ACs. Rotary compressors are inexpensive and good for small cooling loads, but they are not ideal for large commercial HVAC systems because they cannot handle continuous heavy loads. Screw compressor. A screw compressor is used in large HVAC systems like commercial buildings, cold storage, and chillers. It uses 2 helical, screw-shaped rotors that rotate and compress the refrigerant continuously. Screw compressors provide powerful performance, high efficiency, and smooth operation. They are designed for heavy-duty, non-stop usage. However, they are more expensive and usually not used in household ACs. Summarize. Reciprocating compressors are piston-based and cost-effective. Scroll compressors are quiet and efficient for modern ACs. Rotary compressors are compact and best for small units. And screw compressors are powerful and perfect for large industrial systems. Choosing the right compressor depends on the size of the system, cooling capacity needed, and energy efficiency requirements.